my top 3 tips to help WordPress freelancers upsell additional services to grow their business fast. Tip number 1, offer complementary services. I would never stop selling even after completing a website build, so you shouldn't stop there either. Upsell additional services like SEO, ongoing maintenance, or email marketing integrations. These services help your client grow their own business, whilst providing you with additional streams of revenue. Tip number 2, know when to pitch. Timing is everything. Once your client is satisfied with their website, that is the perfect time to introduce additional ways you can help them grow. When they're happy, they're more likely to see the value in your extra services. Tip number 3, stand out by being proactive. Do not wait for clients to ask for more services. Offer them first. Show that you're thinking about their long-term success, not just the immediate project. Clients will appreciate that you're invested in their growth and likely go on to take on and hire you for more additional services.